Plane tickets are purchased, hotel is booked. Where am I going? If you think it's Relativity Fest 2019, you are right. Also, it's kind of unfair question because I don't get out too often. So why am I telling you all this? Well, there were a couple of questions. First, are you still going to Relativity Fest? Why are you going? Are you excited? What are you doing there? And two, if you're gonna go, are you still going to make a vlog? Let me answer that for you. So in addition to making videos, I'm also a developer. You guys have seen my website, most likely. I write apps for iPhone, I have desktop apps, I have relativity apps, I have all kinds of apps. So I'm a programmer. And one of the things that I like to do when I go to Relativity Fest is to learn more about what they can do for me, what API coverage is coming, what new features coming out. So that's kind of the big deal for me. If you're a developer, let me give you a couple of tips on what sessions to attend and the ones that I like to go to. Now, I like to start with Developer Summit on Sunday. So I purposefully book my flight, so I fly in early and I get a chance to go to Developer Summit, which is at 3 p.m. I believe, so it's kind of early. So a lot of people still flying in and checking in and such. So Developer Summit is like a keynote for developers. They're going to talk about what they did last year, what they're going to do next year, what improvements are going to be made. There's a panel discussion between developers who also write for Relativity, and the most important thing, you get to ask Relativity folks questions about programming, like the most geekiest questions you can think of, and there'll be people there who can actually answer them for you. All right, couple more sessions real quick that I think are interesting. Introducing new API culture. So this is some kind of new, what do they call, interactive exploration of Relativity Platform API. So it's a little hard to figure out what the API are, what the coverage is, and I think this is something they're trying to make so you could visualize and interactively see what's available and how it works. I actually have no idea. I'm going to find out. Now, two other sessions that I think would be interesting. These are going to be introducing Relativity's new review interface API and Relativity's Forms API overview. So what's happening with me is when I develop custom layouts, I always run into this issue where I maxed out all the functionality of a layout builder and I have to go to a custom page. And one of the things I hate doing is creating custom pages. I am a desktop programmer, I'm not a web guy, so whenever support says, oh yeah, you can't do that with a form builder, or you can't customize sort order of a linked object or something like that, you have to make a custom page for it, I always go like, ah. So I'm hoping one of those two sessions will introduce this new Forms API, which will allow us to customize Relativity's layouts, and I'm not gonna have to rely on custom pages anymore. Now, one of the super cool things you can do is attend one of the workshops where you can actually use those API yourself. You know, when you learn something, you get home to your office and you're starting to read API documentation, programming, you have errors, issues, and you have no one to ask questions. Well, in the workshops, there's somebody there, so you can start programming something using API that you were just introduced. And if you have problems, you get stuck, somebody will come over and they will help you. Like, this is really, really cool. So if you're new to programming in Relativity and you're just starting with Relativity API, that's a great way to start. You're gonna have somebody basically handhold you the whole way while you're trying to write some kind of program. Now on to video related question. Am I making a vlog? Well, most likely. I'll bring my camera with me. I'll try to capture whatever happens and it should be fun. Now, the one thing I want to do is if you see me with a camera walking around filming, and if you want to say hi, go ahead and do that. If you want to be in the vlog, sure, let me know about it. Maybe you can give a shout out to your company or something like that. And if you want to discuss with me some kind of e-discovery topic, like in the interview style, let me know that too. I would love to do that. Of course, we're going to have some rules there. You can't mention company names, product names, so it can't be an advertisement for like your company or product. But if you got a good topic related to e-discovery, or maybe you watched one of my previous videos and you want to like confront me on some of the things I said, I welcome you to do so. So yeah, if you want to do a video with me during Relativity Fest, leave a note in the comment or contact me through my website. Tell me what topic you're interested to talk about, and maybe we can come up with something. So there you go. Those are the answers to your questions. Yes, I'm going to Relativity Fest. Yes, I'm making the vlog. And yes, you can be in it. And in fact, we can do an interview style video together if you have a good topic that I can intelligently talk to you about.